Because only with this video, can allow me to share button. If I have a passionate appeal to Zion Ministry and Daddy, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, you know what I go tag again Zion to this video. If I'm not mistaken, this appeal after that day post to shallow video of testimony of that man Iri Ji from Wilshire who na for 8 months. That message you received that day or either the next day was the 7th one or the 6th one. The mother sent the golden that message na my inbox. Can you that appeal? Daddy, I am appealing to you people to create a suitable avenue. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, you see, we're now for some of these sick people faster. Because now, according to those messages, the mother na no the mother biazie na hana nota aka. I understand that now the number the massive. You can tell by even for Evangelist Ebuka Obi pota ba moto na wo. Even is in a church pota na wo due to crowd. It will put the police in the mother. I can understand. Na obodas na maybe na shadow noko, but ka e create an avenue or you see we na for nda wa do faster, especially city priority, say prioritize and they see from far, they see obodo yiwo, they see other state we bia ka ha ga let that notice ya kana Lagos here before her for Evangelist Ebuka Obi or before. At least so una if doka healing school. Maybe from Monday to Saturday, a day, yawo healing school specifically for the sick. Yeah, I decided me making that one the whole priority because of one thing or the other. So say prioritize ya nde award the whole. Una you one day for healing school. That day now visitation for nde award ho so nda wunde ya no Daddy Ebuka Obi abia interact with those people na ụfọdụ ndị si far we bia we now because some of them they would desire if Evangelist Ebuka Obi one-on-one and don't nwere ike ishake halfway one after the other nwere ike it difficult, so enwere ike make more like a healing school where he will come inside and see all of them at the same time. Then Achokwa, he created another avenue for Ndebiazeri for other things like business and there's so many other things. He created another day for that visitation. Strictly for Nde see outside Lagos. Webia ka Nde madu we weekend ebe habia hano a little time na Lagos eba na shigakwa ebe hana a business or a behana alone. There are even some people inbox some days back, some time back, I think it should be about 1 month ago or 2 months ago. I received about 3 to 4 messages from people not outside telling me that in a actually Abia Zion, but na ha muhono mwelu ka mweli kisi we melu ha. Obviously, I believe na maybe na more very closer to the source. No, we can make we memuru habia ka spend the maximum of 5 days na Lagos here where poor. But I can only make an appeal openly na Facebook here. No one we can see we let this schedule these people into consideration. Koya will have baka not just a little time then happen because some of them they make different engagement in where you keep me ka outside their business area or their work area for a long time. We will not do inclusive to everybody. Everybody want to come to Zion. Believe me, everybody want to come to Zion and test what is there in Zion. So let us work on the time and schedule so that we can accommodate everybody. A lot of things in your backyard. Ebe umbrella around you, no really now man can Isiagu. Let us hope na one day. If you do just Zion, I will Go. So please tag Ako Zion and the necessary people. Tag Zion Prayer Movement to this video. Let them see this video and they put this video into consideration. Also very, very important. Very, very important. Remember, about 3 to 4 people some months back, I called my attention to this. They want to visit, but the fashion in Notaka. Then, after that testimony Isiagu the other day, somebody texted me or remind them about 5 to 6 people texted them earlier on about this particular issue. Secret here, schedule a time in where you can find that fast enough. How we make it, because of just look at 8 months. 8 months per aka, you got a grandma na mother ya work that time. Sure, if you want sure, but at least let us put time factor, business, and the work and all these things into consideration. But some of these people when they and then that have people will be an. But until then, Zion is a movement, and it is a movement you cannot even stop. It is a movement you cannot stop. Zion has gone even far than you can imagine. Do you think that by no man on Facebook will have bamba that you cannot do that one day? Key into this movement, you will thank me later. Key into this movement, you will thank me later. Yeah? I still remain your favorite Isiagu. Yeah? Isiagu. Working name with Alona.